Are you a dog lover? This video is for you. This stubborn pup thought the mud was his new home, and now he's refusing to move. This white puddle walking like a tiny baby, so cute.
Welcome.
This pup moving like a mini T-Rex beside his owner.
I don't have a normal pet, the one I have is weird, but luckily they are so cute, so I'm gonna keep them.
When you need to sneeze, but first look to make sure nobody is watching.
Such a touching mother-son bond. Puppy be like, who's that handsome stranger?